They told you getting rich was simple. Get a job, save your money, buy a house, and retire at 65. But nobody told you the rules have changed. Today, saving money doesn't make you rich. It quietly makes you poor. Inflation eats it. Banks lend it out. The system rewards debt, not discipline. Before we dive deeper, show some love. Hit that subscribe button, like, share, and watch till the end, because what you're about to hear might be the most valuable advice you'll ever receive. Here's the truth no one dares to say out loud. Money isn't just currency, it's control. The rich don't save money, they move it. They use it to buy assets that grow even while they sleep. Stocks, real estate, businesses, royalties, things that multiply quietly while most people trade hours for dollars. And that's the trap. The system trains you to be a consumer, not a creator. You're taught to chase comfort, not freedom. You're told to play it safe, while the wealthy play the game by entirely different rules. Most people think financial advice means cutting lattes and making budgets. But real financial advice, the kind they never teach, starts with unlearning what you've been told. You don't work for money. Money works for you, once you understand how. And that's the secret they hope you never figure out. The money game isn't fair. It was never designed to be. The rich don't just make more. They're allowed to. They use tax codes, leverage, and time, tools most people never even learn exist. The wealthy don't avoid taxes because they cheat. They avoid taxes because they understand how the system rewards investment, not labor. But here's the kicker. You can learn that game too. You don't need millions. You need knowledge. The same internet that distracts you can educate you. The same paycheck that vanishes each month can become seed money. The same fear that keeps you from investing is what keeps you broke. Don't let the system train you to be scared of risk. The rich embrace risk, but they prepare for it. They study it. They turn fear into opportunity. Meanwhile, most people stay stuck because they confuse comfort with security. But comfort is the slowest path to poverty. If you're still watching, that means you're part of the few who actually want to know the truth. So hit that subscribe, like, and share, because the next part, the real blueprint, might change the way you see money forever. Here's how the rich really build wealth. They buy time. Every decision, every investment, every risk is made with one goal: to escape the clock. They trade money for freedom, while most trade freedom for money. The blueprint is simple, but it's brutal. First, create income that doesn't need you. Build, invest, or partner in something that pays you whether you're awake or not. Second, protect your assets. Insurance, legal structures, multiple income streams, they shield wealth from collapse. And third, reinvest relentlessly. Every dollar earned is a soldier. Don't let it rest. Send it back to work. The truth? Anyone can start, but few will. Because building wealth isn't about intelligence, it's about discipline. It's about saying no today so you can say freedom tomorrow. It's about thinking decades ahead while the crowd chases the weekend. So if you're watching this thinking, it's too late for me, remember this. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Hit subscribe, like, and share if you believe it's your turn to rewrite your financial story. Here's the part no one tells you. Money isn't the goal. Freedom is. Money is just the vehicle that gets you there. You can have all the luxury in the world and still be broke if your time isn't your own. You can drive a dream car and still be trapped in a nightmare if you're chained to payments. The best financial advice you'll ever hear isn't about getting rich. It's about getting free. Free from fear, from debt, from dependence on a system that profits from your exhaustion. The moment you stop chasing money and start building value, skills, ownership, control, you step into a new reality. You stop playing defense. You become the player, not the pawn. So here's your wake-up call. Start small, but start today. Learn a skill. Build something. Invest even if it's just $10, because every move away from fear is a move toward freedom. And if you're still here, you're already ahead of most. Subscribe, like, and share this to wake someone else up. Because financial freedom isn't a secret, it's a decision. The best financial advice you'll ever hear? Don't just make money, make meaning, make time, make freedom. That's wealth, and that's the truth they don't want you to hear.